Title: Unmasking the Truth. How to Detect Lies and Uncover Hidden Intentions. In a world filled with communication and interactions, deciphering honesty from deception is crucial. Whether it's in personal relationships, professional settings, or even just casual encounters, being able to spot signs of lying or hidden intentions can give you a significant advantage. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the fascinating world of lie detection, exploring psychological cues, verbal and nonverbal hints, and real-life examples that will empower you to uncover the truth. Section 1. The Psychology of Lying. 1. Understanding motivations. To detect lies effectively, it's vital to grasp why people lie in the first place. We'll discuss common motives, such as avoiding punishment, protecting self-esteem, gaining advantage, or concealing information. By recognizing these underlying reasons, you can better analyze situations. 2. Cognitive load. When someone is lying, their brain works overtime to maintain the deception. This mental strain can result in subtle cues like longer response times, stuttering, or contradictory statements. We'll explore how understanding cognitive load can help you identify these giveaways. Section 2. Verbal clues. 1. Changes in language. Liars might distance themselves from the situation by using third-person language or even referring to themselves less. We'll analyze examples of this linguistic shift and discuss how it can tip you off to dishonesty. 2. Excessive details or lack thereof. Overloading a story with unnecessary specifics can be a sign of fabrication. Conversely, withholding key details may also indicate deception. We'll showcase instances where the balance between too much and too little information can reveal hidden truths. 3. Unusual vocal patterns. Variations in pitch, tone, or speaking rate can betray nervousness. We'll provide audio samples and teach you how to listen for these subtle vocal changes that often go unnoticed. Section 3. Nonverbal signals. 1. Micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are fleeting facial expressions that reveal genuine emotions. We'll delve into these split-second cues, using real-life footage to demonstrate how they can expose concealed feelings, even when words say otherwise. 2. Eye contact and gaze. Shifty eyes aren't always a reliable indicator of lying, but understanding the nuances of eye contact and gaze direction can help you discern discomfort or potential deceit. We'll discuss instances where gaze patterns align with dishonesty. 3. Body language clusters. A single gesture might not mean much, but a combination of nonverbal cues can form a cluster that hints at deception. We'll break down various clusters and illustrate how they unveil hidden intentions. Section 4. Detecting deception in real life. 1. Relationship scenarios. We'll explore scenarios like catching a partner in a lie and provide guidance on approaching the situation with sensitivity. Real stories will emphasize the importance of open communication and understanding motives. 2. Job interviews and negotiations. Uncovering truth in professional contexts can be crucial. We'll discuss ways to spot deception during job interviews, salary negotiations, and client interactions, ensuring you make informed decisions. 3. Media and politics. In an era of misinformation, knowing how to spot lies in media and political discourse is vital. We'll discuss fact-checking techniques and show you how to critically evaluate information. Section 5. Ethical considerations. 1. False positives and negatives. It's important to acknowledge that even seasoned lie detectors can make mistakes. We'll discuss the consequences of false accusations and missed cues, emphasizing the need for caution and empathy. 2. Personal privacy and boundaries. While detecting lies can be valuable, respecting personal boundaries is equally crucial. We'll explore the balance between curiosity and invading someone's privacy. By the end of this in-depth exploration, you'll possess a comprehensive toolkit for detecting lies and uncovering hidden intentions. Remember that while these techniques are valuable, they aren't foolproof. The goal is to enhance your communication skills and build trust-based relationships, fostering a more transparent and honest world.